Are you having problems with your webcam? Or do you want a webcam for your PC? You may think of what to do with your old Android phone. Okay, you can use your Android phone as a webcam or an IP camera. There are many apps to do this. I am using Droid Cam here. Using this app, you can use Wi-Fi or USB cable to connect your phone to the PC. Step 1. You need to install the Droid Cam PC client. Search for Droid Cam for PC or visit the Dev47 apps website using an internet browser. Download Windows setup for the Droid Cam client. Then install the downloaded application on your PC and launch the application. Go to the Start menu and click on the Droid Cam icon or just search and launch the Droid Cam application. You can see the connection methods to start the webcam. Step 2. Then visit Google Play Store and install Droid Cam Webcam for PC app on your Android device. Then open the installed app. It will ask you for camera access and audio access and allow them to continue. Now you can see the main interface of the Droid Cam mobile app. There are two IP addresses you can see, Wi-Fi IP to access through your Wi-Fi network and the IP cam access for surveillance camera to access through your web browser. First, let's check the Wi-Fi connectivity option. You need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network from your PC and the mobile phone. Make sure you have selected the Wi-Fi icon on the top of the window on the PC client. Check the Wi-Fi IP shown in Droid Cam app on your mobile device and enter that IP address on the device IP and Droid Cam app on your PC. Be careful to enter the numbers and the dots correctly, otherwise, the connection between your phone and PC will not be established. And video and audio checkboxes should be checked before start. Click on the Start button. You can see the phone camera from your PC now. Okay, what shall we do now? Let's connect this webcam to a Zoom meeting. Log in to your Zoom account and start a new meeting. You can see it has automatically connected your mobile phone as the webcam. If not, you can select Droid Cam 3 or Droid Cam 2 from the video button on the Zoom app. It shows the mobile phone as Droid Cam since the phone is connected to the PC using the Droid Cam client. You will get better video output with better lighting around you. You can use the webcam similarly with Teams, Meet, or Skype applications. Now we shall check how to use the USB connectivity option. First, you must enable USB debugging in developer options. Please note following instructions may slightly different as per your mobile device brand and the Android version. I am using an LG G6 with Android version 9. Go to Settings and select General, About Phone, and Software Info menu on your mobile phone to enable developer options. Keep touching on the build number continuously. It will show you that now you are a developer when you finish this step. Go back to General Settings and you can see the Developer Options feature is now visible bottom of the menu. Open the Developer Options and turn on the USB debugging switch. It will show you a warning message about issues when enabling USB debugging. The mobile phone setup is now completed. Now go to Droid Cam app on your PC and select the USB button on the connection window. It will show the mobile camera preview on the window. If you see "No devices detected" below the Connect over USB text, you can click the refresh button next to the drop-down menu. Then the name of your mobile phone will appear on that drop-down. You can use the mobile phone as the webcam now with your meeting application as showed you earlier. Let's check how to use the mobile phone as an IP camera with your PC. Open the Droid Cam app on your mobile app. Check the IP cam access URL. Now open your web browser. In the address bar, enter the URL listed under the IP cam access and hit enter button. You will be able to access your phone camera directly from your browser. The only thing is, you need to be connected to the same network from the PC and the mobile device. There are several options under the settings menu in the Droid Cam PC app, mobile app, and web browser when using the IP camera feature. You can toggle through front and back cameras, or change resolutions, etc. Go through these settings and try to get the best out of your mobile phone. That's all for today. We shall meet in the next video on how to use your old Android phone as a surveillance camera with advanced features. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.